What happens when you combine rehabilitation with conservation? Or when the incarcerated are not just serving time but also serving our ecosystem? Every day it costs us $180 to house a single inmate. Now picture this. Instead of spending days behind bars, inmates could opt to restore vital ecosystems like the Florida Everglades. Here's where it gets wild. The Everglades are currently overrun by anacondas, non-indigenous predators displacing local wildlife and disturbing the natural balance. By engaging inmates in targeted conservation efforts, such as removing these invasive anacondas, we not only give them a chance to earn, learn, and grow, but also restore an endangered ecosystem. It's a win-win, reducing incarceration costs and reviving our planet. Consider the broader impact. Revitalized habitats lead to increased biodiversity, healthier environments, and a sustainable future. And for the inmates, skills, purpose, and a second chance at life. Together, we can turn a cycle of incarceration and environmental degradation into a pathway to rehabilitation and ecological revival.